Can Shiba Inu go above a penny? Is that possible, or is that all hopium? Is it even in the realm of possibilities? We're going to talk about that. Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Black Sea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu and where I think we could be headed here. So hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop in this video, guys. Okay, so right now, we are looking at Shiba Inu, and right now, we are holding up this trend very, very nicely. And guys, there's a lot of signals flashing right now across the cryptocurrency space that would indicate we're getting ready to see some big moves, most likely to the upside. Now, obviously, you don't just go straight up to the moon without some brutal shakeouts, but it does look like we are starting to see some things move towards consolidation to the upside, not a continuation of a breakdown. But we're going to pick this apart. First off, if you just want to look at Shiba Inu in a vacuum here, you can see you have a buy signal on market cipher right here on the volume. You see the money flow starting to perk up. We're looking at the daily time frame. We're maintaining this trend, and if you want to measure from the bottom of here to where we're at right now, we are up about 21%, which is pretty nice, and I do expect this to continue to move to the upside, especially because we're seeing signals that are saying that altcoin season is here, baby. So it's very exciting times, and if you guys want to buy this dip, or you think that we're going to be going to all-time highs and you want to leverage long and you want to make your extra gains on your Shiba Inu, then please go check out in the description box below or the pinned comment down below and check out Blowfin. Click that link, deposit Trailbit. You get a bunch of free money as well as 10% off all trading fees for the lifetime of your account. No other exchange is offering this. I recommend you sign up and take advantage of this limited time offer right now before this link expires, guys, in the comment section below or the description box. So let's look at Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is sitting at rank 15, gaining. We've been trading around the 12 to 18 rank for Shiba Inu over the past couple months now. Sitting at rank 15, up about 12.19% in the past 7 days, down about 1.5% in the past 24 hours. Right now, it's interesting because we're seeing Bitcoin dominance fall, but not all the altcoins are going up at once. They're all taking turns. It's pretty interesting to see that play out, but I do expect the top 100 coins, altcoins, to all go up with Bitcoin dominance crashing. Shiba Inu is sitting at a $14.14 billion market cap, 383 million 24-hour volume. I expect the volume to tick up here in the next coming weeks, but I really do want to emphasize on some things here, guys. Over on Crypto Twitter, you can follow me at 333 Black Sea. I say believe in something, and I show the chart of ETH BTC. And you may be asking, Black Sea, why are you talking about Ethereum and Bitcoin when we're supposed to be talking about Shiba Inu? Well, guys, when it comes to these altcoins, you really need to be keeping your eyes on Bitcoin, Bitcoin dominance, and Ethereum, because Ethereum is somewhat of a, I don't want to say it's a gatekeeper, but you need Ethereum to rally, okay? You need to see Ethereum rally against Bitcoin to see crazy meme coin and altcoin mania. And that's why I say believe in something, because you need to believe that Ethereum is going to rally against Bitcoin to see a crazy altcoin season, and I do think that we will see something play out like that very shortly. A lot of people are speculating that Ethereum is going to outperform Bitcoin all of 2025. I can kind of get behind that theory, especially if you buy into the theory of altcoin season, and this is the year that Bitcoin dominance should be breaking down significantly. But if you look at the overall market right now, you can see Bitcoin's trading at about nearly 99,000 and Bitcoin dominance 55.64. Very important, guys. Very important that we stay around this level and continue to break down. Exclude stablecoins, we're sitting at about 57.5%. I really want to see us break below 57%. But really, if you want to look at it under a microscope, basically 57.37 to 57.5. As long as we start breaking below that, I'll say, okay, we're going to continue to see this break down. You have Ethereum at about 3,700. That's very nice. We want to see Ethereum not only test 4,000, we want to see close above $4,000. When you start to see Ethereum show some strength, that's when you're going to see Shiba Inu make some massive moves, guys. So be prepared for that. When you look at Bitcoin dominance, we've been talking about for a while here, it's looking great. You have money flow starting to go deep in the red, which is very nice to see that. Indication that money's coming out of this pair right here. Well, really out of Bitcoin down. And so the liquidity is moving out of Bitcoin and into the alts. But something that's very important that you need to be paying attention to is that Bitcoin dominance is breaking down while Bitcoin is making moves to the upside, guys. That is a very bullish. It's very, very good, and we're seeing that play out right now. So I did mention that we need to be looking at where Bitcoin's at because Bitcoin is in a very strange position right now. It's very tough to say where Bitcoin's going to be going right now. I will say, guys, Bitcoin could end the fun very shortly. So I do want to emphasize on that. A lot of people are getting excited because Bitcoin's near $100,000 again, but I really need to see Bitcoin close above $100,000 and $103,000 on the daily time frame for me to say, okay, higher low is in, and now we're getting ready to test all-time highs. But as of right now, guys, if you look at this, it's still pinching down, and I do think that there's a less likelihood that we break down and test that $88K to $85,000 region that I've been talking about for a while. But I do think it's very possible to maintain this trend line and break down to, say, $93,000, $94,000. And every day that goes by that we do not break below that, the higher this trend line goes, and much more likely that we make a higher low and get ready to make another move to the upside to make new all-time highs. So it's a very, very interesting time to be looking at Bitcoin, but we need to be paying attention to it. You gotta be paying attention to where Bitcoin is if you want to see Shiba Inu perform very well. If you guys stuck around this long so far, I want you to please go follow me at 333blacksea on Instagram. If I can get to 1,000 followers in the next 48 hours, I will give one of you guys that follows me $1,000. I want to do a giveaway as the altcoin season starts to heat up more and more. I want to be giving back to you guys. I love that you guys watch these videos, and I'm going to continue delivering this content. Hopefully I can teach you a little bit about cryptocurrency if you're new here. So go follow me, 333blacksea. So can Shiba Inu reach 1 cent? Is it possible? All right, I'm going to give you my first answer without picking this apart. No, it's not going to happen, guys. I'm sorry. But I do think that there is a chance, a very low probability of it happening if, there's a big if. You know, Shiba Inu is always doing these Shiba Inu burns, right? If Shiba Inu really burns like half of their supply, I'm talking like literally like 260 trillion tokens. If you cut the supply in half, then maybe we're getting closer to the, maybe we could reach a penny, okay? But if we were to reach a penny right now, you're talking about a multi-trillion-dollar market cap for Shiba Inu, and the only way that that's even possible is if Bitcoin's over $1 million. And I do think Bitcoin will reach over $1 million, but it's a matter of when, not if. And I don't think that we're going to see that happen in 2025. That would be absolutely absurd. We would be talking about all the nation states in the world really just max bidding Bitcoin and just trying to create Bitcoin strategic reserves. Sure, it's possible, but I don't think that it's going to be just that easy, unfortunately, guys. But I still am bullish on Shiba Inu. I still think the top 100 coins in the cryptocurrency market are going to make big moves, all right? Especially during altcoin season, which we're getting ready to see happen right now. I think a 10x is possible. $150 billion? Sure, that's possible for the second largest meme coin in crypto. Yeah, guys. And you couple that with the burns that they're doing, the token burns, lowering their supply. It's possible. It's possible to see big, big moves. $150 billion market cap, 10x on your money. It's possible. Guys, if you like this type of content, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Do you think I'm crazy to even be thinking that Shiba Inu can go to a $150 billion market cap? Or do you think that I'm super bearish because I'm saying we can't go to a penny? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm very curious what you have to say about that. Go follow me, 333blacksea on Twitter and Instagram. I want to give somebody $1,000 in the next 48 hours. And please check out Blowfin down below, $5,000 sign-in bonus, and 10% off all trading fees. As well as we are having Crypto.com sponsor us. And if you guys want a crypto Visa card, you can check that out down below. It's a if you don't want to be getting into leverage trading and you want to just take advantage of some easy, simple trading, then check out Crypto.com, download that in the link down below. That's all I got, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.